everyone, Heather Valentine here today, and it is Happy Mail Day and Unboxing Day with Derwent's Metallic Watercolor Paint Pan Set. I am so excited to have received this from Derwent, and before I go any further in this video, let me say I am not getting paid by Derwent. I am just here to give a review of the product, and it is my honest opinion of the product. Anyway, this is a wonderful paint pen set. Yes, I've already taken it out of the box. It comes in 12 glorious colors. Let's open this up. It also comes with a Derwent water brush. We have 12 colors: gold, pale gold, silver, ice blue, blue, green, lime gold, sunset, red, pink, purple, of course, one of my favorite colors, and the deep graphite. You can already see them shimmer. Aren't they so pretty? So I have some white paper, and I have watercolor paper, and I also have some black cardstock, so we can kind of give it a go on both types of paper to see how these work. So always come prepared with, I use baby food jars for water to clean out my brushes. We have our water paint pan, and let's go ahead and try. Let's just go with the gold. Gold is a really hard color to get an actual true gold color, so I'm really excited to see how this is gonna go. Oh, look at the shimmer in that pigment. Bring it closer up to the light. Let me see. I'm going to bring down the camera just a bit. Beautiful. That is really a sweet gold. Let me go ahead and do it on the black here also. Wow. Look at it sparkle as it goes on. This would make gorgeous, well, a metallic painting all by its own, or as accents on your work. Really beautiful. Let's go with the purple. I said I'm a purple girl, so I always have to play with the purple relatively quick when I get new products. Wow. Let's put a little bit on the white. Look at the coverage as it goes down. Solid coverage, nice shimmer. Let me get the paper off here. See it in better light. Hopefully you can see. Look at that. Is that not just glorious? And on that black, wow. And this is regular cardstock. It's not even warping the paper as some watercolors do, if you apply too much water on it. Let's see. Let's go with the silver. Let me clear out my brush a little better here so I have that purple. It seems to be that the brush is really holding, even though I'm cleaning it out really good, it's really holding that pigment from that previous color. So make sure you really scrub the end of that brush. That's the silver on the white watercolor paper. Look at that. Do you see the amount of pigment that this is laying down? And look at that glisten. Oh, wow. That is really fabulous. Okay, this is the lime gold. It's a very interesting name for a color. Get a little more on my brush. Very light, soft color. Great coverage. See it on the black. Oh, check that out. Just a hint of green on the black. But look at that on that white. Wow. Glorious. Okay, let's play with some other colors here. Cleaning up my brush. Let's go for the pink. Vibrant colors. Derwent never fails on vibrancy of the colors. Very highly pigmented. Check that out. Is that not gorgeous? Let's see what the deep graphite does. Darker than silver. I'm going to make sure I get... Got some black in there. Great for shading. I would imagine it wouldn't show up on the black until it's dry, but have to try. If you don't try, you never learn. Let's go ahead and hit this green. Oh, how pretty. It's almost got like a teal hue to it. Let's lay that down on the black. Ah, really frosted color. A green. The sunset. A beautiful peachy orange. Let's put some of that on the black. Oh yeah. Wouldn't that be beautiful to add like to a glowing pumpkin or something like that? I was born on Halloween, so I have Halloween on the brain. I love Halloween. So that would really be awesome. A glistening pumpkin, a shimmering pumpkin. Wow. I can honestly say that Derwent really hit the mark on these. This is the ice blue. Look how well it's covering. Some of the colors aren't showing up on the black as good, but I mean, it's black. I mean, this is just a hint, but I could see doing a whole entire painting with these on the black. How fun would this be? But adding these to your work, you know, if you're working on the white as accents, beautiful. I mean, come on, look at the shimmer. Look at the pigment in here. And the metallic. Look at that. How gorgeous. Let me get the white close up for you. You can see them just shimmer. Subtle yet on, you know, but strong. I mean, that's an interesting combination there. But wow. How gorgeous is that? Beautiful. Once again, this is the Derwent Metallic Watercolor set. It's a paint pan set of 12 glorious colors. I believe the price point for US dollars is $24. Don't hold me to that. I'll get the price point for you and add it down in my description here. But I highly recommend these. Couldn't be more thrilled. And really looking forward to doing some artwork with these. A nice compact travel case. Fits literally in the palm of my hand. Oh, these are these are 5 stars across the board. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, Derwent. Make sure, if you want to learn more about products and see my tutorials, to subscribe and like my channel, leave a review. And until next time, this is Heather signing off for the day. Bye for now.